In the Telenitro project by the Prima Foundation, we develop various digital tools and nature-based solutions to reduce the use of nitrogen fertilizers in crops. In this case, we will examine how to analyze nitrate concentrations in liquid samples. These samples can come from water extraction of plant material and soil samples, liquid samples from saturated paste, and xylem sap extraction. Xylem sap extraction is performed by placing the petioles of fresh leaves into Eppendorf tubes and centrifuging them at a speed of 2000–3000 G for 10 minutes, forcing the sap to the bottom of the tube. The extracted sap is carefully collected with a micropipette for chemical analysis. The samples will be analyzed using selective electrodes. Selective electrodes are analytical devices designed to measure the concentration of a specific ion in a solution by detecting its chemical activity. They operate using a selective membrane that responds exclusively to the ion of interest, ignoring others present in the sample. These electrodes come in a kit that includes a complete set for nitrates, calcium, potassium, electrical conductivity, pH, and salinity. As mentioned, the liquid samples originate from irrigation water, aqueous extractions of plant material, xylem sap, and the saturated paste procedure can be analyzed. Using Lequatwin electrodes, these measurements can be performed safely, quickly, and easily with just one drop of the sample. The calibration for analyzing the samples is a 2-point calibration, high and low concentrations, particularly recommended when the sample and standard solution concentrations differ by more than 10 orders of magnitude. First, the standard solution of lower concentration is added to the sensor until it is completely covered, the opaque lid is closed, and the cal button is pressed for 2 seconds. The cal symbol flashes on the screen along with the calibration value. Once the calibration for the low concentration is complete, the standard solution is removed, the sensor is rinsed with distilled water, and dried with filter paper before calibrating with the high concentration standard solution, repeating the same process. After calibration, the MEAS button is pressed to switch from calibration mode to measurement mode. .300 microliters of each sample is placed on the sensor, and the opaque lid is closed before starting the measurement. The MEAS button is pressed for 0.5 seconds to enter measurement mode. The MEAS button will flash until the measured value stabilizes, and the symbol appears continuously lit. This method is followed consistently to calculate the measured parameter.